Good morning, Joel. Wow, is that thing pretty? Sitting there on my 48. Yes, sir. Oh, my Lord. Almost want to keep it myself. Anyway, testing and adjustment have gone very quickly, very easily. Everything's looking good down inside, nice and dry. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There she goes. Yes, sir. Looking real good. Look down inside again. Oh, yeah. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. And we know for sure there are no leaks. There are no runs. There are no errors at this point. Alrighty. Let's look at some numbers, shall we? Okay. Fuel pressure, about 2.75. Idle RPM right now, about 670. Looking good. Vacuum, 23. Just a little bit of a bounce. I imagine I'll have to get in just those valves later. Alrighty. Let's pull it through a few times. No stumble. Looking good. All right, sir. I think you're going to like it.